Bajaj Platina, how to deactivate or switch off the engine light. So I disconnect this temperature sensor. Now you can see the engine light is on. Just start the engine for confirmation. It's easy to disable or deactivate the engine light without any tool. Just you have to connection properly. If sensors are okay, no any problem with carburetor and sensors, then easy it will deactivate. So just you have to connect the sensor again and then switch on ignition for 3 times. It will deactivate. So just now I am going to deactivate. Now switch off and then fix this. This car is BS6, so according to BS6 this is the we have carburetor. This temperature sensor I fix again. Now just you have to 3 times on and off. Don't start the bike, just switch on ignition and again switch off for 3 times. It will deactivate.